This modern coconut factory, the journey from raw coconuts to rich coconut milk and cream begins. Each truck arrives carrying thousands of raw coconuts, and every load is recorded with precision. Fresh coconuts, straight from the farms, entering the first stage of their transformation into milk and cream.
Each coconut arrives with its own natural markings, the fibers, the soil, the moisture, evidence of its journey from farm to factory.
Steel lifts each coconut forward, carrying them toward inspection, step by step. Each coconut is weighed with precision, because accurate yield begins with knowing its true mass.
Skilled hands test every coconut for internal firmness and hidden fractures, ensuring only perfect shells move forward to become coconut milk and cream.
Soft vibration separates strong coconuts from the weak, letting the natural movement reveal hidden defects.
Each coconut receives a precise, high-pressure rinse, clearing the flesh for pure milk and cream extraction.
Warm metal and rising steam prepare the coconuts for the next stage, creating the perfect environment for extraction.
Freshly cleaned coconuts, waiting for their transformation into milk and cream. Improved coconuts move deeper into processing, where their transformation into milk and cream begins. Each tough husk fiber is torn away with slow, controlled mechanical force, revealing the shell beneath. In a controlled burst of pressure, the outer shell yields cracked clean without harming the white meat inside. Fresh, bright white coconut flesh is exposed right after cutting.
Skilled hands refine every coconut, clearing away shell fragments to preserve the purity of the milk. Pressurized water rinses each coconut half, removing soil, loose fibers, and the last traces of the harvest.
Clean water glides over the fresh coconut flesh, washing away every trace of the shell, preparing it for pure milk and cream.
Inside the factory's core, the fresh coconut meat meets the rotary grater, releasing fine, silky
Texture meets precision as the coconut begins its transformation.
freshly grated, moist, rich, and ready for extraction.
Freshly grated, moist, rich, and ready for extraction.
Each strand of grated coconut moves with purpose, guided toward the tanks where its milk is released.
Heat activates the coconut infusion, preparing the milk for extraction.
Temperature isn't just a number here. It's the key to preserving the coconut's natural richness.
The extractors come alive, gently pressing the shredded coconut to release its first pure stream of milk. The first traces of coconut milk begin to rise, rich, creamy, and full of natural fat.
The first traces of coconut milk begin to rise, rich, creamy, and full of natural fat. Under deep hydraulic pressure, the coconut releases its pure milk, extracted with clean, controlled force.
Inside the centrifuge, rapid rotation separates the lighter coconut cream from the heavier milk. A silent...
This is where coconut milk transforms, and the rich coconut cream begins to take shape.
Heat softens, and the milk settles into calm.
As the coconut milk cools, condensation forms on the chilled steel, the cold refining its smooth, creamy texture.
As the coconut milk rests, its surface calms and clarity naturally forms. Guided by steady hands and controlled machinery, the cream's balance is perfected.
In precise cooling, the coconut cream settles,
its natural richness slowly thickening into its final, velvety form. In this lab, viscosity reveals the true quality of coconut milk and cream. In this controlled network of stainless pathways, coconut milk and coconut cream move toward their final refinement. Pure coconut milk and rich coconut cream merge inside the blending tank, beginning their final transformation. Inside the homogenizer, high pressure breaks every fat droplet into microscopic size, smoothing the coconut milk into perfect harmony.
Trapped air dissolves into the warm coconut milk, leaving a smoother, purer consistency. Homogenization brings consistency, allowing the milk and cream to remain smooth, natural, and stable.
Every rotation blends milk and cream into a uniform, silky consistency, the final harmony of the coconut. Temperature stabilized, the mixture reaches its ideal conditions. Here, the rich coconut cream develops its natural body, slowly thickening into its final silky texture.
Coconut milk travels through polished steel, guided toward its final form. Refined at each filter, purified through every passage.
Steady flow ensures every drop of coconut milk meets the factorial's exact standard. Stabilized coconut cream moves through temperature-controlled lines, guided with exact precision toward the filling nozzles.
Precision filling begins. Every bottle aligned, every drop measured.
Each bottle takes its place in the line, ready to carry pure coconut milk and rich coconut cream to the world.
Gentle steam ensures every bottle stays pure, protected from the very first moment.
Cooling locks in freshness, stabilizing the coconut milk's temperature for safe storage.
Heat draws the film inward, locking every bottle in place for a safe journey ahead. Human eyes read what machines cannot: the smooth opacity, the perfect fill, the purity of the coconut itself.
Each bottle is weighed with milligram precision, ensuring that every drop of coconut milk and every layer.
Viscosity reveals balance, the perfect harmony between coconut milk and coconut cream. A high-speed lens studies the coconut milk surface, ensuring every bottle reflects perfect purity.
With processing complete, the journey of coconut milk and coconut cream moves into its final stage: packaging.
Each bottle receives its identity, the mark that tells the world it carries pure coconut milk and rich coconut cream, bonded with precision. A perfect seal for every bottle.
Each bottle is verified by its digital fingerprint, ensuring every drop of coconut milk and every layer of coconut cream.
Heat binds the pack, creating a secure wrap for travel. Every seal is bonded with precision, protecting the coconut milk within.
Order creates efficiency. Heat, every layer built to protect the coconut within.
Here, precision takes form as the forklift moves in to lift the final shipment of coconut milk and cream.
Stabilized, chilled, and ready for controlled transit, the final batch begins its journey beyond the factory.
The final seal closes, securing the coconut milk and coconut cream for delivery.